SketchUp versus Rhino. Best 3D design tool. I'm going to tell you which 3D design tool is better, SketchUp or Rhino. SketchUp is fast, intuitive, and beginner friendly. It's perfect for architectural modeling, basic product design, and conceptual sketches. The real advantage is speed. Drag, drop, push, pull, done. Rhino, on the other hand, is all about precision. It uses NURBS modeling, which means it can handle curves and complex surfaces way better. If you're doing jewelry design, industrial components, or anything highly detailed, Rhino is the better option. SketchUp is great for quick iterations and clean visuals. Rhino is what you use when tolerance and complexity matters. Bottom line, SketchUp is better for fast architectural work and ease of use. Rhino is better for detailed modeling and technical control.